What if your next home wasn't built with wood or bricks, but printed, layer by layer, by a robot? It may sound like science fiction, but it's already a reality in Texas. Welcome to Wolf Ranch, just outside Austin, the world's largest 3D printed neighborhood. This groundbreaking community of 100 homes is the result of a partnership between Lennar, one of America's largest home builders, and Icon, a pioneer in construction-scale 3D printing. Together, they're not just printing homes, they're printing the future. Traditionally, home building relies on labor-intensive processes, weather-dependent schedules, and rising costs for materials. But Icon's robotic printing systems are changing that narrative. At the heart of the technology is a massive robotic arm called the Vulcan, which extrudes a proprietary concrete mix known as lavacrete. This mix flows out like toothpaste, building walls layer by layer with millimeter precision. The walls are incredibly durable, resistant to fire, wind, mold, and pests, and highly energy efficient due to their thermal mass and airtight design. Each home is designed using digital blueprints. This software handles not just the wall layout, but also the placement of utilities, reinforcement, and even window and door openings. The result? Fewer surprises, less waste, and drastically lower human error. How long does it take to print a home? In the early phases, it took nearly 2 months to complete a single home. But by the end of the Wolf Ranch project, Icon was printing one every 2 weeks. With improvements in logistics, printer mobility, and material delivery, that pace is expected to quicken dramatically in the next phase. The 3D printing process uses a minimum of 3 operators per home today, but Icon aims to bring that number down
completely, so we'll be down to about 2. And I think the sort of holy grail is where one person can watch a dozen systems. You need one person to watch a dozen.
The printers can work around the clock, unaffected by weather, darkness, or fatigue. They also integrate seamlessly with traditional tradespeople who handle the rest: roofs, electrical systems, HVAC, and finishes. Icon has already begun re-engineering its wall systems to reduce material use and simplify installation. Newer designs favor more open floor plans and thinner wall profiles, saving both time and money. What makes these homes different from what you live in now? The walls don't have wooden studs, which means better soundproofing and the ability to hang items virtually anywhere with screws. Energy efficiency is another standout. One homeowner reported a $26 electric bill in the middle of January. And the homes are quiet. Even with a busy highway nearby, residents report barely hearing outside noise. Why does this matter beyond the tech? Because the U.S. is short an estimated 4 million homes, and the affordability crisis is worsening. Traditional construction can't keep up. Labor shortages and rising material costs are driving builders to seek alternatives. While the current costs are on par with conventional homes, about $400,000 for a 3-bedroom, future iterations are expected to cost significantly less. On the sustainability side, lavacrete produces fewer carbon emissions compared to traditional concrete. There's also less waste from offcuts, shipping damage, or construction mistakes. The automated process ensures just the right amount of material is used, and Icon continues to refine its mix for even better performance. Can printed homes survive disasters? Absolutely. These homes are already rated for high wind zones and show strong resistance to fire, a major advantage in wildfire-prone areas like California. Lennar and Icon are also exploring hurricane and flood-resilient designs for coastal regions, such as Florida. Of course, innovation isn't without hiccups. The first third of the project was slower and more expensive than expected. Thick wall designs, limited printer mobility, and logistical bottlenecks drove up costs. But the learning curve was steep and fast. Icon discovered they didn't need such thick walls. And by adopting a modular approach and streamlining transport between homes, they drastically improved efficiency. By the final homes, printing times were on target and costs had come down substantially. Another challenge is regulation. While Texas offers a relatively lax building environment, other states and cities may impose stricter building codes that don't yet account for 3D printed structures. Overcoming these legal and bureaucratic barriers will be critical for scaling nationwide. What's next for 3D printed housing? Icon and Lennar are already planning their next community just 7 miles away, with double the number of homes and lower costs per unit. They aim to build larger houses with a redesigned wall system, better integration with other trades, and potentially even 3D printed roofs and multi-story structures. The vision? Entire homes printed from foundation to roof, including walls and structural elements, in a fraction of the time and cost. Future printer models will likely be autonomous, mobile, and capable of handling more complex geometries. Beyond residential use, the technology has applications for disaster relief, affordable housing in developing nations, and even extraterrestrial habitats. Icon is working with NASA on printing infrastructure on the moon. Will this become the future of housing worldwide? Possibly, but it depends on how quickly the technology can be scaled, regulated, and adopted by mainstream builders. Other startups like Mighty Buildings, Emergent 3D, and Cobod are making similar advances in California, Europe, and the Middle East. The environmental, economic, and social benefits of 3D printed construction are compelling. Lower emissions, faster builds, reduced costs, greater resilience, and more customizability. But as Lennar admitted, it's not yet more profitable than traditional homes. That's expected to change as scale increases and printing tech becomes more efficient. As with any new tech, early adopters take the hits so the masses can enjoy the rewards. The world's largest 3D printed neighborhood is just the beginning. In a few years, you might live in a home that wasn't hammered together by hand, but printed by a robot with a code, concrete, and innovation. So now I want to hear from you. Would you trust a robot to build your next home? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more tech breakthroughs, and share this video with someone who still thinks 3D printing is just for toys.